Apple is reportedly gearing up to release a game-changing device in 2026 that goes far beyond what we think of as a typical streaming box. Forget the Roku or Fire Stick comparisons. Apple's next Apple TV is being positioned as a stealth console, a powerhouse disguised as a sleek puck, with the potential to completely reshape your living room setup. The company isn't just targeting streaming anymore. It's quietly preparing to disrupt gaming, media, and smart home technology all at once. This isn't a lightweight experiment. Apple has been quietly building the groundwork for years, packing increasingly powerful chips into devices that didn't necessarily need them. The iPad with an M4 chip, the iPhone with ray tracing, these weren't overkills. They were rehearsals, training developers to create console-quality games on Apple's architecture. Over time, Apple has been quietly amassing a library of major AAA titles, including franchises like Resident Evil, Death Stranding, and Assassin's Creed, all ready to be unleashed on the 2026 Apple TV. Rumors suggest this device will run on a variant of the A19 or a Bend M series chip, bringing laptop-level power to your television. Imagine playing graphically demanding games at 60 frames per second without worrying about overheating or excessive fan noise. Compared to a PlayStation 5, which costs $500 and is bulky and loud, the new Apple TV will likely be smaller, cheaper, and whisper quiet. But Apple isn't trying to lure the hardcore gamer. They're targeting the broader audience: casual gamers, busy parents, teenagers, or anyone who wants to pick up a game for a quick session. The ecosystem integration is where it becomes compelling. Start a game on your iPhone on the bus, arrive home, and continue seamlessly on your TV with zero loading times. Sony can't compete with this level of continuity because they don't make your phone. Gaming is only part of the story. The AI-powered upscaling is what could make this device go viral. While 8K content remains largely unavailable and streaming it is impractical for most households, Apple's focus on 8K is not about streaming. It's about generating AI-enhanced visuals. The new chip will be able to take 1080p or 4K content and intelligently upscale it in real time, sharpening edges, correcting lighting, and removing noise. Essentially, it can take old movies or shows and make them look as if they were shot yesterday, offering a visually transformative experience for any content. Apple is also positioning this device as the brain of the smart home. Today's smart homes often rely on cloud servers, leading to delays and privacy concerns. The 2026 Apple TV changes that by processing everything locally, from voice commands to automation routines and security camera feeds. This not only improves responsiveness but also keeps your data private. With integration across Apple's ecosystem, watch, phone, tablet, the device could even act as a wireless base station for future Apple headsets. This means lighter, cheaper headsets that don't need powerful processors or batteries, essentially streaming their computing from the Apple TV. It's a long-term play that could make immersive AR and VR experiences more accessible. Design-wise, the Black Puck may see an update to handle this new power level. A slightly taller form factor with an efficient cooling system, similar to the Mac Studio but miniature, is rumored. There might even be a small display on the front showing time, music, or Siri animations, turning it from a hidden device into a piece of premium furniture. The addition of Thunderbolt ports could allow users to attach high-speed storage, turning the device into a home media server for more demanding setups. Timing has been crucial. The hardware alone is not enough. Apple has reportedly been refining tvOS 20 to match the device's ambition. Expect multitasking, window management, webcam support, and Zoom calls with face tracking. Without software to fully utilize the hardware, this device could have easily failed. Instead, Apple is building a platform, not just a product. The 2026 Apple TV could simultaneously disrupt the fragmented, laggy smart TV market and the expensive, single-purpose console market. It positions itself as a media center, gaming console, smart home server, and privacy-focused hub all in one. For those still buying today's devices, it might feel like holding a flip phone while the iPhone era unfolds. When this device finally launches, it could sell out instantly. Scalpers will have their field day, and the hype is expected to be unstoppable. Apple has quietly built a revolution, sitting in a lab in California, ready to redefine how we play, watch, and control our homes. The future of the living room may arrive in 2026, and it will likely start with this small, powerful box.